Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to delete permanently Signal app from your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Long press to your Signal app. Here I go. Now you will be seeing different options. Tap on that option, remove app. Now tap on that option, delete app. Tap on delete. You can see that Signal app has been disappeared from my screen. In this way, you can easily delete permanently Signal app from your device. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will be updated from our new contents and videos. Thank you.